Most of the time, the sound chip built into the motherboard is used for audio output. But, if you are a sound enthusiast or prefer higher detailed audio while playing a game, you might be inclined to use a sound card. Sound cards plug into a computer in multiple ways. It can be through USB, PCI slot, or PCI Express X1 slot. External DACs have gained a lot more popularity and help deliver clearer and more defined audio. They connect up using an I/O cable like a USB cable to your computer or laptop and provide a line out for your speakers or headphones. A sound processing chip on the card does all of the audio processing and is usually not a very powerful processor. A sound card can offer a wide range of connectivity with various audio equipment. A few examples could be optical audio, a quarter-inch jack, or RCA connectors,